May tanong ako sa'yo. When was the last time you truly smiled without covering your mouth, without worrying na mapapansin ang missing teeth mo? For many of our patients, isang nawalang ngipin turn into years of insecurity, avoiding photos, turning down opportunities, and even hiding from the people they love. But here's the truth. It doesn't have to be that way. Sa Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, we specialize in transforming lives one dental implant at a time. Dental implants are not just fake teeth, they are a second chance. A titanium post replaces the root of your missing tooth and we attach the crown that looks and feels and function like a real thing. Hindi kailangan ng glue, hindi nagagalaw, and you can bite, laugh, speak, and smile freely. And with our advanced 3D technology, we can plan and place the implant with precision, sometimes in just 5 minutes. Less pain, faster healing, and more time enjoying life. I have seen it so many times. Yung dating mahiyain, biglang naging confident leader. Yung dating umiiwas sa salamin, ngayon proud sa every photo. Because sometimes, one small decision like getting dental implant can lead to a huge change in your life. So if you've been putting this off, I want you to know you deserve this. You deserve to feel whole and you deserve to smile again. Ako si Dr. Sly Bukad ng Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab. I'm here to remind you your hearing starts with a smile. Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, let's change your life one smile at a time.